Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today, class, I will take about diet tips. Eating a healthy diet is especially important during the COVID-19 pandemic. What we eat and drink can affect our body ability to prevent, fight and recover from infections. While no foods or dietary supplements can prevent or cure COVID-19 infection. Healthy diets are important for supporting immune system. Good nutrition can also reduce the likelihood of developing other health problems including heart disease, diabetes and some types of cancer. For young children, a balanced diet is essential for growth and development. For older people, it can help to ensure healthier and more active life. Tips for maintaining a healthy diet. 1. Eat a variety of food including fruits and vegetables. Every day eat a mix of whole grain like wheat, maize and rice and beans. Plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables with some foods from animal source. Example, meat, fish, egg and milk. Choose whole grain foods like unprocessed maize, oats, wheat and brown rice. When you can, they are rich in valuable fiber and can help you feel full of longer. For snacks, choose raw vegetables, fresh fruits and unsalted nuts. Second, cut back on salt. Limit salt intake to 5 grams a day. When cooking and preparing food, use salt and reduce use of salty sauce and condiments like soya sauce or fish sauce. If using canned or dried food, choose variety of vegetables, nuts and fruits without added salt and sugar. Remove the salt snacker from the table and experiment with fresh and dried herbs and spicy for add flavor instead. Check the label on food and choose products with lower sodium content. Third, eat moderate amount of fats and oil. Replace butter, ghee with healthier fats like olive, soya, sunflower or corn oil when cooking. Choose white meats like fish, which are generally lower in fats than red meat, trim meat of visible fat and limited the consumption of processed meats. Select low fat or reduced fat version of milk and dairy product. Avoid processed baked and fresh food that contain industrially produced trans fats. Trying steam or boiling instead of frying food when cooking. 4. Limit sugar intake. Limit intake of sweets and sugar drinks such as fizzy drinks, fruit juice and juice drinks, liquid and powder, flavor water, energy and sports drink, ready to drink, tea and coffee and flavor milk drinks. Choose fresh fruits instead of sweet snacks such as cookies, cake and chocolate when other Options are chosen. Ensure that they are low in sugar and consume small portions. Avoid giving sugar foods to children. Salt and sugar should not be added to complementary foods given to children under 2 years of age and should be limited beyond that age. Fifth, drink enough water. Good hydration in rural optimal health. Tap water in the healthiest and cheapest drink. Drinking water instead of sugar sweetened is simple way to limit your intake of sugar and excess calories. Tips for healthy children and families. Raising a family is not always easy. You are busy and so are your children. There is a lot to do in little time, but stakes are high. Today many kids are overweight or obese. A healthy, active lifestyle can help maintain weight. It also can prevent health issues such as diabetes, heart disease, asthma, and high blood pressure. It is important to create healthy habits early on. These will help you make smart choice for your family. Children imitate their parents, so it's not important to set a good example. The tips below can help your family be healthy and happy. Part to improve healthy. Eating better for children and families. Start the day with a healthy breakfast. It refuels the body and provides energy for the day. Let kids help plan and prepare one meal each week. Eat together as a family as often as possible. Take time eating and chew slowly. It takes 20 minutes for the brain to tell the body that you are full. Eat more vegetables and fresh fruits. Aim for a total 2 cups of fruits and 2.5 cups of vegetable each day. Eat more whole grain. Example includes oats, brown rice, whole wheat pasta. Try to eat at least 3 ounces of whole grain each day. Drink of fluid. Choose water, low fat or milk, and low calories beverage. Serve a variety of foods. Serve fruit in small portions. Rewards children with prize, not food. Do not demand to rewards a clean plate. Let your children ask more if they are still hungry. Read nutrition label for serving size. This information can help you select food that fit your family needs. Bake, boil, and grill foods. Avoid cooking with butter or vegetable oil. Choose snacks that provide nutrition and energy. These are essential for active growing children. Okay, children, stay safe and healthy. Have a nice day.